Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect for work, whether you are working from home or you're working in the office, because this is a sit-stand desk. Now, sit-stand desks are absolutely great because they're helpful with your posture. Instead of basically being sitting all day, you're able to stand, you're able to move around, you're able to stretch, which is absolutely great. And I love this one for multiple reasons. But first off, you can notice it's got a nice size here. It is a large desk, so it can fit plenty of monitors and you have plenty of room to spread out. You can roll out big documents on here. I'm in architecture, so it's easy to roll out any of my plans and still have plenty of room. Give you an idea of the size, this particular one I have here is a 60-inch wide by 30 inches in depth, and it has that adjustable height. Now on the low end, it is gonna go to 23.5 inches off the ground, and on the high end, it's gonna be at a nice 49.25 inches. So I am 6 foot tall. That is very, very comfortable. However, with this adjustment, you're gonna be able to do anything right in the middle. So you'll notice on the right-hand side is the control panel. You're gonna have 2 up and down arrows. That is gonna let you specifically pick whatever position you want. But then there's also gonna be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and those are gonna be your preset modes. Your 1 is your lowest mode, your 4 is obviously your higher, and then the other 2 and 3 are in the middle. You can reprogram them if you wish. Now let's talk assembly, because this thing took about 45 minutes to assemble. Very, very easy to put together. It's obviously gonna come with some user manuals. You're gonna get 2 user manuals. You're gonna get one that's gonna tell you how to assemble the desk surface itself, and then the next one that's gonna tell you how to assemble the base, and that's because it basically comes in 2 boxes. You'll notice the top here is all made out of a nice plastic laminate. Like I said, it comes in 3 pieces with the butt joints. Everything's nice and secure. There's nice little metal brackets on the underside, so it's nice and strong. You don't have any bowing or anything like that, which is great. It can hold up to 220 pounds. So it can hold a lot of weight. So if you have a ton of monitors on here, you're gonna be good to go. Or if you have a lot of heavy stuff, you're good to go as well. But essentially, it is also very great and quiet when moving the desk itself. So simply press the button and you want to go ahead and change it into a different higher position. And as you can see, it's going to start going up. It is moving right here next to me. You don't even hear the desk at all going up, which is an absolutely great feature. So if you are on any phone calls or a Zoom call or something like that, and you decide you want to move to a standing position or a seated position, you can simply do that even if you're unmuted and you're not going to be picked up on the mic, which is nice because it makes it even more flexible itself when utilizing it. Now, another nice feature on it is obviously the legs here. They are a 3-piston leg, which just gives you a little bit more flexibility and actually the height of it. But they're all made out of a nice solid metal here. And then obviously, like I said earlier, the top part is all made out of a plastic laminate. Now you're gonna notice on either side, there is gonna be some hooks, which obviously you can use for basically cable management or wires, or if you have some headphones, that's what I use it for. You can simply place your headphones there, and if you ever want to grab them, it's easy accessible. All the controllers are going to be on the right-hand side when utilizing it. It plugs into just a standard outlet when utilizing this thing, but very, very nice sit-stand desk. Very, very quiet, very, very easy to put together. I've been very pleased with it. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great desk solution that you can utilize for sitting or standing at work or at home, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do take a respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.